kuya, wala ko yan.
Oh, kuya, oy.
Alas, mga Merida, the champion. Okay? So nakita na natin no? Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our to Rumble! Okay, ladies and gentlemen, atong i-welcome no ang atong the champion, ang atong garbo sa Merida, no other than atong Cuatro Alas, John Real Casimero. Maayong hapon. And also we would like to thank the presence no sa atong mga department heads this afternoon. Of course, spearheaded by our very active municipal mayor, Honorable Engineer Rolando Marzon Villasencio. Okay, asa naman itong bang okay, once again, the grand welcome the Pride of Merida Leyte and our one and only Cuatro Alas. I may call on our very active municipal mayor, Honorable Engineer Rolando M. Villasencio. Atong pagpakan.
-111, a resolution expressing the highest commendation and congratulations to 3 Division World Champion John Real Cuatro Alas Casimero for his spectacular 4th round TKO victory over Mexican former World Champion Luis Neri at the Aichi Sky Expo in Tokonami, Japan on June 6, 2020. Cuatro Alas Casimero showcased a vintage masterclass in boxing at the Aichi Sky Expo in Tokonami, Aichi Prefecture, Japan, whereas facing a formidable former 2-division world champion in Mexico's Luis Pantera Neri, Casimero demonstrated knocked down a total of 6 times, whereas despite facing a heavier opponent who failed to make the contracted weight limit, Casimero's precise combinations, signature hooks and commendation, and congratulations to 3-division world champion John Real Cuatro Alas Casimero for his spectacular 4th round TKO victory over Mexican world champion Luis Neri. Resolve further that a copy of this resolution be presented today to John Real Casimero as a tangible
LGU, atong mga bisita. And now, to give us a congratulatory message, may I call on our municipal mayor, Honorable Engineer Rolando Marzon Villasencio, atong pakpakan.
Silence of Filipino athlete and demonstrated the values of courage, perseverance, and excellence. May your achievements continue to inspire the youth to dream boldly, strive tirelessly, and pursue greatness.
Okay, it is time, ladies and gentlemen, to give his congratulatory message coming from our very active municipal mayor of the municipality of Merida. Ladies.
Kaya salamat sa inyong pagsukat na karon sa akong kadaogan dito sa Japan. So ako nagdaog nga mudaog ko kay ang akong kontra perting liguna. Dako kay kuhaan timbang niya. Nya ako gamay siya dako. So advantage kay siya pero ang naka-advantage naman sa ko hibayad siya kay para magtayo ng duwa. Pwede na tato. Pwede na ta ko na di na mo duwa nanaw kay kwarta. Pero ang akong gustong kuhaon nga kabuto ng kadaogan nga kaya na ko nakaw na Kagaya salamat na binasa atong mayon na pagsuporta na ako bisan ko man mga pagsulay sa boxing, suti kayo boxing. Kagaya salamat tungkol sa mga tao nga nagsuporta na ako. Ilig ko na nga ako. Pagsalig na daw yun. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Count of 3, 2, 1, smile.